Hey family, it's amazing how much we can learn from studying ancient wisdom. Whether you're deconverting from Christianity or just seeking answers, I'm here to help you on your journey. So let's dive into some true meanings of Easter and the resurrection from Kemetic science. According to the ancients, resurrection is something that happens to all of us. It's about awakening to our own power and abilities as we learn and grow through the experiences of life. In Kemetic terms, the soul dies on the cross when a child is born. This represents the loss of the soul's omnipotent awareness as it enters the physical body. But we can all experience resurrection by recognizing and surrendering to our soul's guidance. When we do this, we're labeled a Christ. Easter symbolizes the new beginning for a physical person in an enlightened state of being. But remember that the true resurrection can happen at any time. It's a state of being that's about all of us. Don't forget, you are powerful beyond belief. Let's unlock the secrets of ancient Kemetic philosophy and unleash our inner power. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.